How to see how many hours you've played Roblox. Hi there, today we'll learn how to view the playtime hours you spent for Roblox. So just to let you know, there currently is no option for you to view the hours, but no worries, there's actually other third-party applications that you can use to view the playtime hours you spent. So here one of the applications are Game Space, but first of all you need to download and install the application and make sure that you permit usage access for this app. So when you open the application, when you click on Roblox, there you will be able to see on the upper left corner of the screen the hours you played for this game. So for example, you click on the game that you have played. When you click on it, it will definitely show on how many hours you played for this application. So if you wish to play this, you can just click on play, and that's how you will be able to view the hours you spent for this. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.